Building on our previous talk about probability theory basics, hello curious minds. We have all seen random chaos, but have you ever wondered why order and predictable patterns naturally emerge from complete randomness? The answer is more intuitive than you think, and it shapes our entire universe. Think of flipping a single coin. It is completely unpredictable. But flip it 10,000 times, and a perfectly symmetrical 50-50 split emerges. Let us map these individual chaotic flips to see how they build a beautiful, balanced structure. To understand this, we must look at the law of large numbers. As we collect more random data, the average of our results gets closer and closer to the expected value. Think of a balanced tug-of-war game. With only one player on each side, the rope jerks wildly back and forth. But as we add hundreds of balanced players, the center of the rope stabilizes perfectly in the middle. We can plot this stabilization over time, watching the wild fluctuations flatten into a perfect straight line. A physical manifestation of this order is the Galton Board. Imagine a triangular grid of pegs, where falling marbles bounce either left or right with equal probability. This is like a crowd of people walking through a series of symmetrical forks in a path. Although each marble takes a completely random route, they accumulate at the bottom to form a perfect bell curve. Let us trace these random paths to see how individual chaos builds absolute geometric symmetry. This brings us to the Central Limit Theorem, the crown jewel of probability. It states that when you add many independent random variables together, their sum always forms a normal distribution, regardless of their original shape. Think of pouring differently colored, uneven sands into a funnel. Each grain falls randomly, but together they always pile into a perfectly symmetrical cone. Let us watch how completely different, chaotic distributions transform and merge into the exact same universal bell curve. Even when we wander aimlessly, order finds us. This is the concept of a random walk, where each step is taken in a random direction. Think of a single drop of ink falling into a glass of still water. The individual ink molecules bounce around in chaotic, unpredictable directions, yet, collectively, they spread outward in a perfectly symmetrical, expanding sphere. When we map multiple random walks starting from a single point, we see this beautiful, predictable expansion take shape. This predictable spreading is governed by entropy, which represents the natural tendency toward disorder. But macroscopically, maximum disorder looks highly organized. Think of a drop of perfume in a room. The molecules shuffle randomly, but they eventually distribute themselves completely evenly throughout the space. If we divide our screen into a grid, we can watch how chaotic, random movements naturally balance out, filling the space with mathematically perfect uniformity. This balancing act is also why groups can be incredibly smart. In the wisdom of crowds, individual errors behave like random noise. Think of a county fair where hundreds of people guess the weight of an ox. Some guesses are far too high, others are far too low. But when we plot all these guesses, the random errors on both sides cancel each other out, leaving a highly accurate average that sits perfectly in the center. In the end, we discover that randomness and order are not enemies, but partners. Individual chaotic events are the building blocks of universal laws. Think of a mosaic artwork where every individual tile is a jagged, chaotic shape, but together they form a beautiful, coherent portrait. By embracing the mathematical symmetry of large numbers, we can find predictability in a world that seems completely unpredictable, revealing the hidden harmony of our universe.